Hi, Anya here to chat about tunnel houses for the home that Redpath make right here in New Zealand. Redpath are New Zealand's largest manufacturer of commercial and semi-commercial greenhouses, and we use the same quality engineering and materials for our domestic range of home greenhouses. We manufacture and sell to you direct from our factory, and this is so that we can compete with many budget-style imported domestic greenhouses that are often very low quality and have minimal after-sales support. To ensure a long service life from our greenhouse frame, we make the entire frame from aluminium, which has good resistance to the humid environment of a greenhouse, and also the chemicals and fertilizers that are often used within them. The base rails of Redpath tunnel houses are also made from aluminium. This is to avoid the risk of rotting or rusting occurring if timber or steel base rails are used. The tannalizing agents in timber is also something to consider when in contact with the soils that your plants grow in. Aluminium is also used for the sliding door on Redpath tunnels. The door includes a quality aluminium door track and also a full-width aluminium door retainer guide at the base of the door for great security in the wind. High-quality roller-bearing door rollers are used for the door to give a smooth and quiet door sliding action. A single door in the front wall is offered as standard, but you can upgrade the door to a wider single door option for wheelchair or wheelbarrow access, or make the front door a dual-door system, with one door clad in the sun-saver clear cladding and one door in shade cloth for ventilation in summertime. The same options for doors can also be added to the rear wall. For further longevity, the nuts and bolts used for the roof vent fittings and screw fasteners used for the greenhouse frame assembly plates and brackets in all Redpath tunnel houses are made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel. The roof vent cap itself is also made from long-life aluminium. Speaking of the roof vent, we designed the vent to be one of the largest in the industry for home tunnel houses, and at 1.5 meters in length. This is to help provide more ventilation for the tunnel, particularly in the warmer summertime season. The roof vent includes a handle for manual operation as standard, but an automatic opener can be fitted as an option. The automatic opener is a European-made solar opener, and it is a design that includes an expansion wax cylinder that when warmed by the sun expands and pushes open the roof vent automatically. This is a handy option to add to your Redpath tunnel house if you are not always home to monitor the greenhouse temperature, or if away for weekends, for instance. Redpath tunnel houses are designed for 90% of New Zealand property wind loads, but if you are in a particularly exposed site to the wind, it might pay to consider adding the high wind kit option. This is an option that adds cross-bracing to the internal tunnel hoops, and adds more lengthways sidewall braces, and also adds a strengthening foot at the base of the tunnel house hoops. The cladding on Redpath tunnel houses is sun-saver commercial-grade greenhouse film. This super long-life polythene film is used on the Redpath commercial greenhouse designs, and our home growers get the benefit of using the same horticultural cropping film on their tunnels. Sun-saver greenhouse film is treated on its inside surface with an anti-drip coating, and this is to help prevent internal condensation forming on the inside of the tunnel house. The sun-saver polymer also contains a superior UV light stabilizer that does not discolor with age and maintains its clear appearance throughout its life. Redpath also designed a special clip system to securely hold the greenhouse covers on our commercial and home series tunnel houses. The clip system is an important factor in the longevity and reliability of the greenhouse film covering, and it extends its service life beyond 10 years in many cases. The tunnel house covering is supplied in 5 pieces: the roof, the 2 end walls, and the door. All of these pieces are held around their edge by the Redpath clipping system. One big advantage of having a cover clipping system on your tunnel house is that it allows you to fit different cover types in different sections of your tunnel house. For instance, you might want to have greenhouse film on the roof and sides of the tunnel, but have shade cloth in the end walls. Or you might want to fit the greenhouse film onto your tunnel for winter, but then replace it with shade cloth in the summer. With a Redpath tunnel house, you can easily do this as it has each section held separately by our clip system. Another big benefit of a greenhouse that has a dedicated clip system for the various sections of the greenhouse is that you can replace only the sections of the greenhouse that need replacing when they age or wear out. you don't need to purchase a complete new one-piece cover. With Redpath Tunnel Houses, the clip system means you can fit any type or brand of shade cloth or greenhouse film that you wish. And so you are not obligated to purchase an expensive custom-made replacement cover from us in the future if you do not wish to. With regard to assembly, the Redpath Tunnel Houses are 50% pre-assembled at our factory in Palmerston North, and this simplifies and speeds up assembly on site for our customers. We supply detailed assembly instructions with every tunnel, and also there are more than 30 videos on our YouTube channel explaining each stage of assembly. You can go to our YouTube playlist and click on Tunnel House Assembly videos. Please allow a weekend to assemble the Redpath Tunnel Houses, and only basic tools and some good weather is required. Redpath can offer contacts for builders in some areas of New Zealand that are experienced in tunnel house assembly. All Redpath Tunnel Houses are sized at 2.36 meters wide, and they are offered in 11 lengths of 3 meters, 4.5 meters, 6 meters, 7.5 meters, 9 meters, 10.5 meters, and 12 meters. There is also a range of longer designs for small farm or lifestyle block holders, and these include as standard the high wind kit and are sized at 15 meters, 18 meters, 21 meters, and 24 meters long. Redpath tunnels are taller at their apex than most, at 2.4 meters, and this gives more volume of air inside the tunnel house to better control fluctuations in temperature and humidity. And the extra height also allows owners to grow taller vine plants without problem. Popular accessory options that can be added to all Redpath Tunnel House designs are side wall shelving, rear wall shelving, side louver windows, shade cloth summertime shade covers, custom-fit raised gardens, overhead crop support rails, and as mentioned before, you can add automatic openers to the roof vents or add a high wind kit to any size. You can also add extra roof vents to any of the sizes. Our most popular size is the 3-meter and the 6-meter length tunnel houses, and as of May 2025, these are currently available online at a price of $974 for the 3-meter size and $1,447 for the 6-meter size. Redpath has supplied tens of thousands of our tunnel houses nationwide throughout New Zealand, and our central location in Palmerston North means that we can efficiently deliver direct to your door nationwide. Or to reduce freight cost, we can deliver to the closest main freight depot near to you, ready for you to collect. Redpath Tunnel Houses are proudly New Zealand made, and we offer a factory warranty and an after-sales service second to none. A full stock of parts is always held in stock for any future repairs or modifications or extensions that might be needed. Call us today for a quote on the free phone number shown here, or email us and we will answer within 24 hours. Alternatively, you can simply purchase and pay direct on our website. And when you do this, you will receive an automatic discount at time of purchase. We manufacture each tunnel house to order, and the lead time for delivery is typically 7 to 10 workdays to make the tunnel and send it on its way. Our website address is shown here. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you found it interesting, and we ask that you like and follow our YouTube channel or Facebook or Instagram pages so that you get the latest updates from Redpath. Have a great day!